What's up, world? It's your girl Camaro Key. Triple C gang. Guess what? Stitch got them handles in. Ha ha. Both sides. Just the passenger side. Handles in. My honey did that. Y'all stop sleeping on my honey. He can do everything. Y'all think he just do interiors. I'm gonna show y'all a whole lot more though. I open that world up to you. Driver side handle. Handle. Bam. And she can open it with the nails. With the nails. Trying to tell y'all, this is pressure, y'all. I got a right to say that because I got some pressure on my hands and y'all don't want it. By the way, I did put my order in for the rims because I'm the rim lady. Got to have them for Giottos. So, next up, you can tell we working. Working on body. So we're going to get her sanded down. Seeing what she going to be like so we can get some color on her. Got to get some color on her next. Got my motor, got my transmission. Y'all in for something, boy. My first build, 92 Camaro. You know it's going to be an interior swap. That's coming at a later time. Y'all will get to see that soon. Got some things coming. Make sure y'all stay tuned in. Like, comment, and subscribe. Still working on a name. Got some ideas. But y'all chime in. Love to hear from you. It's your girl Camaro Key. I'll be back in 3.